The journey of artificial intelligence in the workplace began decades ago, fueled by the desire to automate tasks and enhance human capabilities. From the earliest days of computing, visionaries imagined a future where machines could assist humans in ways previously thought impossible. Early applications were rudimentary, often confined to rule-based systems capable of handling repetitive processes. These systems, while groundbreaking, were limited in their ability to adapt or learn from new information. These early forays into AI, while limited in scope, laid the foundation for the transformative changes we are witnessing today. The groundwork was set for a future where AI could evolve and become more integrated into various aspects of work and life. One of the earliest examples of AI in the workplace was the introduction of expert systems in the 1970s. These systems were designed to replicate the decision-making abilities of human experts, providing valuable assistance in specialized fields. These systems, designed to mimic the decision-making abilities of human experts, found applications in fields like medical diagnosis and financial analysis. They were able to process large amounts of information and provide insights that were previously difficult to obtain. While groundbreaking at the time, these early systems were limited by their reliance on explicitly programmed rules and their inability to learn from new data. This meant they could not adapt to new situations or improve over time. The 1980s saw the rise of machine learning, a paradigm shift in AI that allowed computers to learn from data without explicit programming. This was a significant advancement as it enabled AI systems to become more flexible and capable of handling a wider range of tasks. This breakthrough paved the way for more sophisticated AI applications, capable of adapting to changing conditions and improving their performance over time. Machine learning opened up new possibilities for AI, making it more useful and versatile. As computing power increased and data became more readily available, the pace of AI development accelerated, leading to the emergence of powerful new AI techniques. The availability of vast amounts of data allowed AI systems to be trained more effectively, resulting in better performance and new capabilities. The turn of the millennium marked a turning point in the history of AI, with the widespread adoption of the Internet and the exponential growth of digital data. This era saw a significant increase in the amount of data available for AI to process and learn from. This data deluge provided fertile ground for training increasingly complex AI models, leading to breakthroughs in areas like natural language processing, computer vision, and robotics. These advancements have significantly expanded the potential applications of AI in various industries. These advancements have opened up new possibilities for AI in the workplace, enabling machines to perform tasks that were once thought to be the exclusive domain of humans. Today, AI is not just a tool, but a collaborator, transforming the way we work and live. The role of AI in the workplace has evolved significantly over time, shifting from simple automation to more sophisticated forms of augmentation. This transformation has been driven by advancements in technology and the increasing complexity of tasks that AI systems can handle. Early AI systems were primarily designed to automate repetitive, rule-based tasks, freeing up human workers to focus on more complex and creative endeavors. These early systems were limited in scope, but laid the groundwork for future innovations. This automation wave, while initially focused on manufacturing and industrial processes, gradually extended its reach into other sectors, including finance, healthcare, and customer service. Each sector adapted AI to meet its unique needs, leading to diverse applications. As AI technology matured, the focus shifted from replacing human workers to augmenting their capabilities. This shift marked a significant change in how businesses and industries approached AI integration. AI-powered tools and platforms emerged, providing workers with real-time insights, automating routine tasks, and enhancing their decision-making abilities. These tools have become indispensable in modern workplaces. This shift towards augmentation has led to the development of collaborative robots, or cobots, designed to work alongside humans in shared workspaces, enhancing productivity and safety. Cobots are now a common sight in many industries. The evolution of AI's role in the workplace can be seen as a continuum, from simple task automation to more complex forms of collaboration and augmentation. This continuum reflects the growing capabilities and applications of AI technology. At one end of the spectrum, AI systems are used to automate routine, repetitive tasks, such as data entry, invoice processing, and customer support inquiries. These tasks, once mundane and time-consuming, are now handled efficiently by AI. This frees up human workers to focus on higher-level tasks that require creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. These human-centric skills are irreplaceable and are now more valued than ever. At the other end of the spectrum, AI is being used to augment human capabilities, providing workers with real-time insights, automating decision-making processes, and enhancing their creativity and problem-solving abilities. This synergy between human and machine is reshaping the future of work. This collaborative approach, where humans and AI work together as partners, is transforming industries and creating new opportunities for innovation and growth. The future of work is being redefined by this powerful partnership. The evolution of AI in the workplace has been marked by several key milestones, each pushing the boundaries of what machines can do and how they interact with humans. From the early days of simple automation to today's sophisticated systems, AI has continuously evolved. One of the most significant milestones was the development of machine learning, a powerful approach to AI that enables computers to learn from data without explicit programming. This has allowed for more dynamic and responsive systems. This breakthrough paved the way for more sophisticated AI applications capable of adapting to changing conditions and improving their performance over time. These self-improving systems have revolutionized many fields. Another major milestone was the rise of AI-driven automation, which has transformed industries ranging from manufacturing and logistics to finance and healthcare. This transformation has led to more efficient and streamlined operations. AI-powered robots and systems are now capable of performing a wide range of tasks, from assembling complex products to diagnosing diseases and providing personalized financial advice. These advancements have broadened the scope of AI applications. This automation wave has led to significant productivity gains, reduced costs, and improved efficiency across various sectors. Companies are now able to achieve more with less. The emergence of AI-human collaboration is another significant milestone, marking a shift from AI systems that operate in isolation to those designed to work alongside humans as partners. This partnership is reshaping the modern workplace. Collaborative robots, or cobots, are now being deployed in various industries, assisting human workers with physically demanding or hazardous tasks, providing real-time feedback and enhancing overall productivity. These cobots are designed to be safe and user-friendly. This collaborative approach is redefining the relationship between humans and machines in the workplace, creating new opportunities for innovation and growth. The future of work is being shaped by these innovative partnerships. While AI offers tremendous potential to transform the workplace, its adoption is not without challenges. One of the most pressing concerns is the potential for job displacement, as AI-powered systems and robots become increasingly capable of performing tasks previously done by humans. This fear, while understandable, must be addressed through proactive measures such as retraining and upskilling programs, ensuring that workers are equipped to thrive in an AI-driven economy. Another challenge is the ethical implications of AI, particularly concerning bias, fairness, and accountability. AI systems are trained on vast data sets, and if these data sets reflect existing biases in society, the resulting AI models may perpetuate and even amplify those biases. Addressing this challenge requires developing ethical frameworks for AI development and deployment, ensuring that AI systems are fair, unbiased, and accountable for their decisions. Beyond job displacement and ethical considerations, there are also challenges related to data privacy, security, and the potential misuse of AI. As AI systems become more integrated into our work lives, it's crucial to establish robust data governance policies, protect sensitive information, and prevent the malicious use of AI for nefarious purposes. Addressing these challenges is essential for fostering trust in AI and ensuring its responsible development and deployment in the workplace.